Hello guys, ethical hacking interview questions. What is microservices attack surface? Microservices architecture increases attack surface because multiple services communicate internally. Its risk can be internal API expose, weak service to service authentication, misconfigure gateways. Attack example can be compromise one service, pivot to internal APIs. Many internal services trust each other. It is weak validation. What is service mesh security risk? Service mesh like Istio manages communication between services. Risk can be misconfigured policies, mutual TLS, sidecar proxy compromise. Attack can be intercept internal traffic. What is API gateway bypass? API gateway enforce security but can be bypassed. Example, direct access to backend service using internal endpoints leads to authentication bypass. What is insecure service discovery? Services automatically discover each other. This can be attacker registers malicious service. It leads to traffic inspection interception. What is sidecar injection attack? Injecting malicious sidecar container. It allows traffic monitoring and data interception. What is cloud metadata poisoning? Manipulating metadata service responses. Attack can be combine SSRF with metadata access. Leads to credential theft. What is IAM role chaining attack? Using one role to assume another. Example can be compromise low privilege role, assume higher role. It leads to privilege escalation. What is serverless attack surface? Serverless AWS Lambda introduces new risk. Risk can be event injection, misconfigured permissions, dependency vulnerabilities. What is event injection attack? Manipulating events, it triggering functions. Example, send crafted event to Lambda. It execute unintended logic. What is CI/CD pipeline attack? Targeting build or deployment pipeline. Attack can be inject malicious code, modify build script, supply chain compromise. What is artifact poisoning? Inject malicious code into build artifact. It is distributed to all users. What is dependency confusion attack? Uploading malicious package with same name. Example, internal package name published publicly. System downloads attacker package. What is build servers compromise? Attacker gains access to CI server. It gives full control over deployments. What is secrets management failure? Improper handling of secrets. Example, hard-coded credentials, expose vault. It leads to full compromise. What is ephemeral infrastructure attack? Target short-lived systems, hard to monitor. Logs may disappear. What is chaos engineering abuse? Abusing testing systems designed for resilience can trigger failures intentionally. What is observability abuse? Using logs, metrics, systems to extract data. Example, sensitive data in logs. What is distributed tracing attack? Tracing systems reveal internal architecture. It helps attacker map system. What is zero trust bypass scenario? Zero trust relies on identity. Bypass can be compromise identity, use valid credentials, system trust attacker. What is full modern attack chain cloud native environment? Real attack flow, reconnaissance, find, expose API, exploit SSRF, access, metadata service, extract, IAM credentials, escalate, role chaining, access, S3 bucket or database, persistence, backdoor, exfiltration, encrypted traffic. This is real world cloud attack. Thank you.